How to erase the file contents of text file in Python. I have text file which I want to erase in Python. How do I do that?
In Python. Or alternatively, if you have already an open file.
Opening a file in write mode clears it, you don't specifically have to write to it. You should close it as the timing of when the file gets closed automatically may be implementation specific.
Not a complete answer, more of an extension to Ondra's answer. When using truncate, my preferred method, make sure your cursor is at the required position. When a new file is opened for reading, open file_name, R, its cursor is at 0 by default. But if you have parsed the file within your code, make sure to point at the beginning of the file again, i.e. truncate 0 by default. Truncate truncates the contents of a file starting from the current cursor position. A simple example.
As Jamalake suggested, a good alternative that includes the benefits of context managers is